Hey, and welcome to Geekbot 31. Today, we're looking at a cloud-based app called Content Gorilla AI 2.0. Specifically for those of you who want a simple and effective way to transform any YouTube, Vimeo, or your own video into stunning AI-enhanced blog posts in 60 seconds or less. It creates fully formatted blog posts that are packed with relevant content and designed to drive clicks and sales. I'll put the link for this product below the video if you want to come here and check it out. As of right now, they're running a special deal, and I think you can pick this up for just around $20. Scrolling down, it says that every piece of content created by this software will rank on Google. It also says that you can drive free traffic to your website and offers and monetize your blogs for passive income and profits. Setting it up takes 3 simple steps. The first step is to select a video. You can choose any video on YouTube, Vimeo, or upload your own video. Second, their ChatGPT-powered AI software generates dozens of original blog posts in 60 seconds. And third, their AI will auto-publish or schedule your blog posts completely hands-free. To make things easier, this software will create an outline that organizes the post into logical sections and makes it easy for readers to follow. You can also publish your Content Gorilla AI-generated posts to your Facebook groups and pages, your Twitter account, LinkedIn profile, and that too in just one click and drive traffic back to your site. You can automate the content and rewrite it to make it sound like it's written by an expert. When you visit the website through the link below this video, make sure you scroll down and watch this demo video that shows you how to use Content Gorilla AI 2.0 for best results. I don't know how long this deal's gonna last, but currently, Content Gorilla AI 2.0 is only $20 one time. If you're interested, click the link below this video and come to this website to check it out yourself.